A warm Sawadee Cup, dear ladies and gentlemen, from Hua Hin Thailand. Today is the 16th November. It's Sunday, 7:25 p.m. to be precise, and I'm at SOI 102, which many consider as one of the best SOIs or streets in Hua Hin Thailand for expats. So let's take a walk and have a look. This over there is a restaurant which many, and also many Farang consider as one of the best restaurants, if not the best restaurant in Hua Hin. They moved here about 2 months ago. Before, they were about 300 meters down the street on the right side. Now they're here, and it smells really good. I walked by many times, but I never went inside. Somehow, yeah, I don't know, I never found the time. On the right side over there, you can see the Orthodox Christian Church, Russian Orthodox Christian Church to be precise. It's a little dark, and the bushes, but you see. That's how it looks. And I just noticed that here on the right side they are building another restaurant. By the way, that direction is Hua Hin Center. So just that you have a little orientation here. So as you can see, they're already built quite a lot. So as Thais built very quickly, I think maybe in 2 weeks, in about 2 weeks, we can expect this to be ready. I mean, they already have the name on it. They're the construction workers, probably. SOI 102. Yeah, they have many restaurants here. I used to order from this restaurant. They make quite agreeable fish, but nothing out of the ordinary. Quite good. Well, here we have some massage salons. Never went inside. No idea. There we have a laundry, opened recently. Bakery, Sunny Bakery. But they also sell weed, apparently. All-day breakfast club. Thai and European food. Let's see the prices. Fried egg 15, sausage 45, pork chop 159, chicken burger 129. Boiled rice with omelette and chicken 55. The prices are quite okay. Popular massage by Tita. Dr. Peace Veterinary Clinic. Never saw it operating, never, not once. Some gay bar or something, gay coffee. Little restaurant, another massage salon, a 7-Eleven. There are many 7-Eleven here in SOI 102. Check this out, one here, the other right on the other side of the street, and 100 meters down the road, another 7-Eleven. But that's not everything. There's a big sea, there's a lotus on the right side as well. Well, here we have, yeah, that's a Thai store, and they have everything housewife's heart can desire, except of money probably, you know, all this stuff. Oh, water cooker, 200 baht, not bad. A fan, 1,050 baht. Good prices. Oh, Kimmy wants one. Yeah, and here we have a Mr. Do-It-Yourself. It's a bigger one. You find a lot of stuff in there. Went there a few times by now. Motorcycle rent. And here's the 7. There we have a fruit store. They're selling fruits, all kind of fruits. Here is a crepe. Crepe lady. She makes nice crepe. Usually I take this one. But the last few times when I came here, she was out of the ingredients. So somehow I stopped coming. 7-Eleven, Homkai, 30 baht. What's that? Some thumb? Oh no, grill. 10 baht for one piece. Another laundry. 24-hour laundry. Bike rental. Yeah. That's why the street is so popular among Farang. There's a lot going on here. There are also a few bars on the left side. I'm sure down the road on the other side, if you drive further, you can find some cheap accommodation as well. So the store that I showed you in the beginning, the restaurant, they used to be there. So then they moved, and now there's a new restaurant, Hua Hin Thailand. Not very popular yet, but that might change. Then we have the Yum Bar, Hua Hin. I guess they sell crabs. Or serve crabs. And here we got the third 7-Eleven in a row. There's the Lotus, quite a big one. But if you go inside, prepare to wait in line for a long time. I don't know, I cannot explain it somehow. It takes always very long. And yeah, here there's this little food court, and these guys sell quite good chicken actually. There's the mini Big C. At least once a year, Hua Hin, particularly SOI 102, is hosting this huge food festival, and it happens at the beginning of the SOI on the left side over there. Wow, I think it was back in June That was something. Wow, I have a video actually on that. I can, if I don't forget, I put it in the link into the description of this video. There's some new Chinese store. Food. Little Bear Burger. They make delivery. Never tried. I don't know. This bear doesn't appeal to me. Sorry, Toasty. Oh yeah, those guys. I saw them many times in Grab. Little duck restaurant opened recently, a few months. Pharmacy. This Suko bar is always well frequented. Always many people inside. Oh, apparently they have karaoke. Pool. And cold beer, I'm sure. There we have a red neon cross. There might be some, what do you say, services going on in there? God's house. God's house it's called. And yeah, this part of the street, well, there's always changes. So many stores get opened and then closed again and reopened, rebranded, different people, same people. I lost track of it, but there's always something. On the right side you can always find some fresh fruits, vegetables. Oh yeah, another pharmacy if you need one. If you're afraid of dogs, be careful, there are many stray dogs here, but mostly peaceful. And there we have the El Turco. El Turco, Turkish and Thai food, I guess, or just Turkish. Turkish music sounds great. Feels like in Germany. And here we have, what do you have here? Crab? No. Toast. Here we have, oh, food. Very good. Yeah, and that's what is it. That's it. That's it for SOI 102. At least for the main part. Over there is the blue port, so also accessible in just a few minutes by foot. And here, always careful here. Here always have good fruits. Bought a few times, was never disappointed. Yeah, by the way, I'm recording with my phone, old school, how the channel started, everything with the phone, so no mic. I don't know how the sound is going to be, but anyway. SOI 102, ladies and gentlemen, on a beautiful Sunday evening, 16th of November. If you liked the video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a friendly comment. That would be great. That's the most valuable thing you can do for me here on YouTube. Thank you and goodbye. Have a nice evening, guys. Or day, depending where you are. Okay, bye-bye.